Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me this new Amazon Kindle Scribe and it comes with the Amazon Premium pen. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to change these tips of this pen. So it comes with 5 tips. Okay, it already include in the box. Okay, so I will show you how to change it. Okay, so I will open this. Okay, so once you open it like this, the first thing over here is this like a round shape tool that you can use to take out the tip. Okay, so what I will do first, okay, I will just use this tool. Okay, so you can see this shape of this tool. Okay, so we will just pick it like this. So we just grab the tip, okay, like this. Okay, so I will show you. So here is the pen tip. Okay, so what I will do is I will just grab it. So you can see I just grab it like this, and once I grab it and then I just pull it. Okay, so I will do it again. So I will just pull it and then you can see it come out very easily. Okay, so now you can see it come out easily, and then I can put it here. Okay, so here is the pen, and now the second step, we have to take one of these new tips. Okay, so I just take it out like this. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, and now what I will do is I will just put it in my Amazon Premium pen. Okay, so I will just put it like this. Okay, so you can see now I can use this tool. Okay, and then I can just push it inside like that. Okay, so you can see. So once you add the last, okay, so once you reach here, so if you push it inside, you will hear a sound of a click. So it means this is perfectly installed. Okay, so I will put it. So you can see, so here it is. So I have to push it little more. So now it fits perfectly. So this is the correct installation. So once you push it inside, you will hear a sound of a click. So once you hear that sound, it means it is completely installed. It is perfectly installed. Now what I will do, I will open just a notebook just to try it. Okay, so I will try to write. Okay, so you can see it is writing perfectly fine. Okay, so if I change the thickness, okay, so this is the next thickness. Okay, and then if you want to make it in a speed, okay, so if I try to write in a speed, so you can see it is working perfectly fine. Now if I try to use the other tools, for example, I want to use this highlighter, so the highlighter is also working perfectly fine. If I want to change the highlighter thickness, okay, so you can see the highlighter is working perfectly fine. The next tool is the eraser tool. So for example, if I want to erase, so the eraser is also working. Okay, if I try to use the rub out selection tool, so I just select one part and I will see if it works. So you can see it also working perfectly fine. So guys, the premium pen tip is working perfectly fine. Okay, so you can use it. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.